Hi my sweet people, today's video is on this Nutella swirled banana bread, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. For this banana bread, you will need extremely ripe bananas, Nutella, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, salt, baking soda, butter, Greek yogurt, white sugar, and eggs. You can get your mixing bowl and add in your extremely ripe bananas. So I actually froze them, so after defrosting this, it actually looks like this. Yeah, so it's still fine, no worries about that. And next you can add in your butter. You can use your beater to mix it, so it'll be easier. So actually it'll be better for you to use a softer butter, like a bit melted. I'm using the butter a bit hard because I'm too impatient like that, so yeah. Next you can add in your eggs, so I'm just adding them one by one and mixing them as I go. Mixing the eggs in, you can add in your sugar. Just continue mixing after you add the ingredients, and then next you can add in your vanilla extract. So I have to say this, and using Greek yogurt for banana bread is actually one of the best things ever, because previously I've made banana breads a few times and it didn't turn out as good as it actually turned out this time, and I figured that this was because of the Greek yogurt and the baking soda from what I actually read from this recipe. So this was really awesome. Actually, you should try using Greek yogurt for banana bread. So once that's done, you can add in your all-purpose flour. Just add them in batches so that you don't get it all messed up, and because the bowl I'm using, it looks big but it's actually not that big, so yeah, just be careful with what bowl you're using, in so that you don't get a mess everywhere. Up, you can add in your salt and your baking soda. like what I was saying earlier, you can see that the batter looks so creamy actually. And once that's all done, you can prepare your pan. So I'm just using a normal like rectangular pan, and using parchment paper as usual. And then once you have done that, you can start to pour in your batter. So you just pour in half of the batter first before you can add in Nutella. So adding in the batter is the worst part that I hate so much because of the parchment paper, and it tends to get messy for me. So just be careful on that. And once you've poured your batter half into the pan, you can get your Nutella. And the recipe calls for 2-3 cups of Nutella, and don't use more than that. It's what it says, but I'm not sure because I'm just using tablespoons over here, and I just added in as much as I wanted. But it may be equal to the recipe amount, but of course up to you, because the recipe said that if you want to add in more, you can just add in the recipe amount in the batter, and then later on once you've baked it, then you can just add in a Nutella. Yeah, so once you've added in Nutella, just use using this stick that usually tests for the cakes if it's baked or not. Yeah, so I'm just using that to swirl around, and this is very much like a marble cake actually. The first time I made marble cake, it was a failure big time, and yeah, maybe I kind of learned something here. After you feel that you've mixed it enough, then just add in the remaining batter and then just fill up the pan. Once you're done, then you can add in the Nutella again and do the same thing. You think it looks like a marble cake? I kind of think so, and I tried my best to do some kind of design so that it looks nice, but of course I didn't expect how it's gonna turn out after the baking, because this is the first time I'm making this. And although it looks so pretty here, and I was kind of excited to see how this is gonna taste like, because I've never really tried Nutella banana bread, and this is the first time I'm doing this, so I was really excited to try. So once you've baked it for 60 minutes at 350, then you can allow it to cool in your pan for around 15 minutes or longer. Then you can remove and cut and serve and enjoy. After tasting this, I was kind of like, okay, not bad, but I couldn't really taste the Nutella, so I'm a Nutella freak. And of course, definitely if you want more Nutella, definitely try to put spread the Nutella on the bread after you've baked it. Then maybe you can taste more of the Nutella. But once you bake Nutella, it doesn't really have the taste anymore, so that's why I don't really like to bake Nutella actually. But yeah, that's the end of the video, and I hope you really like the recipe. If you want to try, definitely let me know if you did. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah.